নাম তো কোৱা
Sashwati Das.
শাশ্বতী ক'ত থাকা
মই গুৱাহাটীত থাকোঁ মই স্কুলিং এণ্ড গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন চব গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰাই কৰা কিন্তু অৰিজিনেলি মই নগাঁও
নগাঁও কোন জেগা
নগাঁও দিন
হেৰি তোমাৰ ছাবজেক্ট
মোৰ ছাবজেক্ট জুলজি আৰু এডুকেশ্যন আছিলে
জুলজি
আৰু এডুকেশ্যন
এডুকেশ্যন জুলজি লগত এডুকেশ্যনটো কেনেকৈ
জুলজিত মই পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন কৰা হয় চ' যেতিয়া অপশ্যনেল চুজ কৰিব লগা হ'ল তেতিয়া মই জুলজি মোৰ
এনেইতো ছায়েন্সৰ লগত হেৰিটো এডুকেশ্যনটো নাথাকে
sorry sir sorry so মই গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যন জুলজি পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেশ্যনো জুলজি উইথ স্পেচিয়েলাইজেশ্যন ইন এনিমেল ফিজিঅলজি
ঠিক আছে বাৰু মই তিনিটামান প্ৰশ্ন সুধো এনে তুমি নৰ্মেলি জেনেৰেল নলেজটো পঢ়িছাই আচ্ছা ফাইটোনিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছ আৰু মাইক্ৰনিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছ ডিফাৰেন্সটো কি
sorry sir I cannot recall
আচ্ছা এমিনো এসিডটো কি
so amino acid is a micronutrient it's a combination of amino acids forms a protein. It's a protein which is a significant part of our body and which is a part of every kind of it's a part of DNA, it's a part of RNA. So a chain of amino acids forms a protein.
What is the function of Isle of Langerhans?
Sorry, so I cannot recall it.
20 years? So what's the difference between bacteria and virus?
So bacteria, the basic difference between bacteria and virus is that they are both microorganisms, but a virus has the capacity of functioning as both living organism as well as non-living organism, depending upon the host in which it is present. But bacteria, on the other hand, is a living organism. It can function as a living organism.
Okay, thank you. What type of bacteria is found in curd? What bacteria থাকে?
Lactobacillus.
Is it good for our gut?
So yes, it is a good bacteria for our gut.
If we take antibiotics, does it die? These microbes, good microbes, that's lactobacillus.
So
do they die if we take lots of antibiotics?
So yes, they do because antibiotics are broad spectrum in nature. So most of the antibiotics. So when they are broad spectrum, so they kill along with bad bacteria. They also kill good bacteria. So that is the reason that we are advised not to take overdose of antibiotics. And
what is Helicobacter pylori? Where it is found?
So, as far as I remember, it is found in our stomach.
What does it do? What harm it can cause? কি করে পেটের ভিতর peptic ulcer.
So recently you know that there is an election going on in USA, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know about the presidential candidates. So which particular candidate will be helpful if that particular candidate wins the election, and he is going to help India in which way?
So at present, the presidential election, both the candidates are Joe Biden and obviously Trump. So according to me, I believe that Trump as of now has been beneficial for India because his foreign policies are extremely useful for India and he has been maintaining a very friendly relations with India. So while Trump is already showing that he has a good relation with India, but we are also hopeful that if Joe Biden wins, then there is a prospect that with his vice presidential candidate, who is also half Indian, so she might also have some effect on maintaining a good diplomatic relationship with India. So I believe that it will all depend upon what the result comes and what we see in future.
So do you think that Indian community plays a bigger role in US election? Shall I repeat my question? I'm saying that, do you think that Indian community plays a bigger role in US election or US presidential election?
So I don't think I have the adequate knowledge to comment on that.
Okay, fine. So just tell me, what is the ongoing issue going on between Azerbaijan and Armenia.
Sorry, sir, I cannot recall it.
So just tell us from which are the countries from where India used to buy defense equipment?
So Russia is the country from where India has recently bought the Rafale. Nice.
You're saying Rafale has been bought from Russia? Are you sure?
No, sir.
Achha.
Majority they.
Rafale Corporation.
It is from France. Yes. Achha. So which are the top 3 countries from which or from where India used to purchase defense equipment?
So Russia, France, and US.
Are you sure?
US.
Sorry, sir, I'm not sure.
Achha. It is
Israel.
Israel, USA, Russia. Yes, sir. Achha. It is defense equipment one number. Yes, sir. Achha. Sir.
Okay, you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
I'm a non-vegetarian.
Can you connect non-vegetarian diet with global warming?
So yes, sir. So non-vegetarian diet also composes of beef as an item. So we know that when cattle release methane in a large amount, and methane as a part of your greenhouse gases, when the quantity of methane increases in the atmosphere, it causes greenhouse effect. Increases the temperature of the earth, and as a result it is involved in global warming as well.
Other way around, can you also add some sentence other way around, like global warming, non-vegetarian, how, because for that, is it also connected to deforestation?
Yes, sir, definitely. Deforestation in a way.
Because it is more of pasture lands, something.
Yes. So directly is, I believe that methane is a part of greenhouse gas, so that's why I said methane. But as well as deforestation will also be affecting.
So it's a circle actually.
Yeah, it's
Because this time you are releasing methane and then you are for pasture land, you need more area. So you deforest, you cut the forest and then the absorption is going to be less.